Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to install a ZOLA FLEX Power 1 remote workstation from ZOLA Electric. This can be done in minutes in the comfort of your own home. Step 2. In this installation process, we will need the following tools. A compass to give you a sense of direction. Many smartphones, both iPhones and Androids, have a compass app. A screwdriver to tighten the ZOLA FLEX power box and screws in place. A hammer and nails to firmly hold the wires and power box in place. Pliers to hold wires while installing the solar panel, gloves for hand protection, a helmet for head protection, and boots for foot protection. A ladder to assist in placing the 80-watt solar panel on the roof. Step 3. Identify all the items in the ZOLA FLEX Power 1 remote workstation package. Starting with the most important components, there is one ZOLA FLEX power box. This is the central unit housing a 180 watt-hour lithium battery, one 80-watt solar panel. This is the latest generation solar panel with MPP technology. One wall charger and splitter. This will enable dual charging with both the grid and solar panel. One 65-watt AC inverter. This will give you the capacity to power a common laptop or other household appliances that consume less than a total of 65 watts. 3 120 bulb lights with switches. These combine both bright bulb and tube lights. Each light comes with its own switch, and each light operates in two modes, dim and bright. One multi-port USB charger. This will charge all common smartphones except for an iPhone, which can be charged via the USB charge ports on the 65-watt inverter. And finally, one 12-volt DC cable. This will connect 12-volt appliances such as modems, routers, and decoders to the power box. Step 4. Use the ladder to access the roof or any other flat surface that receives direct sunlight for more than 12 hours a day. Place the panel on a 5-degree incline to properly receive sunlight. For all installations in the southern hemisphere, like Tanzania and Zimbabwe, the panel should face south, southwest, or west. For all installations in the northern hemisphere, like Nigeria, Ghana, and Ivory Coast, the panel should face north, northwest, or west. Use Google Maps to determine which hemisphere you are in. Take the panel, cable, and pass it between the overlapping sections of the roof by lifting an edge with a hammer or a screwdriver. Drop the cable inside. Step 5. In this step, we will install the light and its switch in the workstation in case light is needed. First, connect the light with the switch. They all come in one box. Install the switch on a wall near the workstation. Then, install the light in a location that properly illuminates the workstation. Step 6. Take the wallward adapter and plug it into the socket. The adapter will turn green to show the power is on. Take the solar panel cable that was threaded inside from the rooftop installation. This cable can be identified by a yellow ring on the plug. Insert solar cable plug into the corresponding yellow socket on the Y-splitter. Insert the wallwart plug into the black socket on the Y-splitter. Insert the Y-splitter plug into the ZOLA FLEX power box. Step 7. In this stage, connect all the appliances to the ZOLA FLEX power box. Connect the two cables from the 65-watt inverter into the appliance ports of the ZOLA FLEX power box. When you switch the inverter on, a green light will illuminate. Connect the ZOLA light cables into the light ports of the ZOLA FLEX power box. The lights will flicker to show that there is power. Connect your router via the DC 12-volt cable provided in the package. Step 8. The 65-watt AC inverter can power appliances like a laptop, router, fan, or decoder. In this simulation, we will show you how to power a 45-watt laptop with the inverter. Note: please inspect the power ratings of every appliance before plugging it into the inverter. If the inverter is overloaded, it will short circuit the power box. Step 9. Now your ZOLA FLEX power system is online and ready to be used at any time. Step 10. Remember, you can upgrade your system to power your TV, radio, or more whenever you want with ZOLA Electric.